Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial we will learn how to put code into TradingView. Have you ever wanted to add a personal touch to your technical analysis on TradingView? Well, you're in luck. Today we'll guide you step by step to smoothly integrate your custom code into TradingView's platform. This will allow you to enhance your trading strategies with personalized indicators and tools. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, open up TradingView and select any chart you like. This is where all the magic happens, and it serves as your creative canvas. Once you have your chart open, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here you'll find a tab labeled Pine Editor. Click on it, as this is where you'll be writing and modifying your scripts. It's a crucial part of today's task. Now that you've entered the Pine Editor, it's time to create a new script. Look to the top right corner of the editor, and you'll spot an open menu option. Click on it, and you'll see options like New Blank Indicator or New Indicator Template. Choose the one that fits your needs. TradingView has made it convenient by providing these templates, so you can either start from scratch or get a head start with a template. With your editor set up, clear out any existing code. Delete anything that's already in the editor to make room for your new custom script. Once you have a clean slate, it's time to paste your code into TradingView. Use the shortcut Ctrl or Command+V to paste your Pine script code directly into the editor. Make sure you've copied your code before so you can paste it seamlessly. Next, it's essential to save and apply your code to the chart. Look for the Save button or simply use the shortcut Ctrl or Command+S to quickly save your work. You'll be prompted to give your script a name, so choose something descriptive that you can easily identify later. After saving, you'll notice an Add to Chart icon just above the editor. It looks like a little play button. Click this to apply your freshly minted code directly to your chart. And there you have it. Your customized indicator or strategy is now visible on the chart. TradingView will reflect the changes right away, allowing you to see your script in action. This ability to customize indicators is one of TradingView's most powerful features, providing endless ways to analyze market data according to your unique style and requirements. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to put code into TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.